Welcome to Inner Growth Media, your hub for personal development and transformation. In today's episode, we're embarking on a journey through the combined wisdom of two legendary figures in the world of self-improvement, Napoleon Hill and Earl Nightingale.
Napoleon Hill, renowned for his groundbreaking work Think and Grow Rich, and Earl Nightingale, known for his influential recording The Strangest Secret, have inspired millions to unlock their full potential. Today, we're weaving together their most powerful teachings. Let's begin with Napoleon Hill's 13 Master Keys to Success. These principles form a blueprint for achieving your dreams. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Faith, belief in the attainment of desire. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Specialized knowledge, personal experiences or observations. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Organized planning, the crystallization of desire into action. Decision, the mastery of procrastination. Persistence, the sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Power of the mastermind, the driving force. The mystery of sex transmutation, channeling sexual energy. The subconscious mind, the connecting link. The brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. The sixth sense, the door to the temple of wisdom. Each key is a stepping stone on the path to personal and professional fulfillment. Having explored Napoleon Hill's 13 Master Keys, let's now turn to the profound insights of Earl Nightingale, another giant in the field of personal development. Earl Nightingale, often referred to as the Dean of Personal Development, brought a unique perspective to the principles of success. His most influential work, The Strangest Secret, revolves around a simple yet powerful concept. You become what you think about. This principle is the cornerstone of Nightingale's philosophy. It suggests that the thoughts we consistently hold in our minds shape our reality and destiny. Nightingale believed that our mind is like a garden, which, whether cultivated or neglected, will produce something. If we plant seeds of positivity, ambition, and purpose, we cultivate a life of success and fulfillment. Conversely, if we allow the weeds of negativity and doubt to grow, they will overrun our garden. This concept beautifully complements Hill's principles. Where Hill emphasizes the importance of desire and action, Nightingale focuses on the power of thought as the precursor to these actions. Together, they provide a comprehensive blueprint for achieving personal and professional success. Remember, the path to success is not just about knowledge, but about application. Think about how you can apply these principles in your life. What steps can you take today towards your goals? Thank you for joining us at Inner Growth Media. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal development and transformation. Here's to your journey of inner growth.